So today we're gonna try to fix my shredder snoot hopper. I don't know whatever you call this thing is. Okay, but the seam of the weld is starting to just shove inward. So we're gonna shove it back out into place. Weld this edge, and I'll weld the other edge. I made a jig. It's a branch. This is too narrow. You see, I drilled a hole in the bottom. That's to stick it into a pipe. And then the top part, hopefully it's going to be able to push against this to push it back in place, so when I weld it, it's going to fit. So here, you stick it on this. You get a hammer. Do we have a hammer in here? So it's going to hammer this down. So it's pretty solid. Now, I'm going to use probably this thicker part right here to put pressure on that piece. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Gotta check this out, guys. If you look, it pushes back to here. So all I need is to just weld this edge right here, and then go on the other side and just weld it and make sure it's solid. But this is just to hold it in place while I weld the other side. Then I have to weld over here because that's where it's starting to split. So we got to make sure that we weld this seam as well. So let's get to it. Okay, guys. So basically, before we weld, we got to clean up the surface. So we got the. Let's hammer it down.
All right, guys, so it's not bad so far. Now I got to do the other side, yeah?
Came out pretty good. No gap anymore. And I welded it kind of shut. This weld, it's only like tack welded, so it's not really like a continuous weld through. So eventually that kind of stuff does tend to pop open because it's only like weld. Eventually it's like screws, you know, eventually it'll just pop off. So yeah, I'm not gonna go and weld all the way down. No way, that's take too long. But yeah, happy with it. Sand it down, paint this bad boy, and let's get this back on and start shredding again. All right, mahalo for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.